Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are here at Bishwa Zakir Manzil Baishoshi Pak Darbar Sharif to celebrate the holy Eid Miladun Nabi and the anniversary of Zakir party. People irrespective of their creed, caste and religious belief come to Bishwa Zakir Manzil Baishoshi Pak Darbar Sharif to get mental solace, spiritual happiness and true message of Islam. I, on behalf of Zakir Party, would like to invite all the people of Bangladesh as well as the Muslim Ummah to Bishwa Zakir Manzil Baishoshi Pak Darbar Sharif to pray for ourselves, to pray for the beloved Bangladesh and the whole Muslim Ummah. Dear friends, today's program is for two parts. One is Eid Miladun Nabi and another is the anniversary of Zakir Party. And Eid Miladun Nabi is the day when Rasul Pak Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam came to this world, and therefore we are blessed. And second part is Zakir Party, the anniversary of Zakir Party. And Zakir Party is only political party in Bangladesh which is totally non-violence. And the chairman of Zakir Party is Mustafa Amir Faisal, who is an iron person. So I invite all the people of Bangladesh to come under one flag, that is Zakir Party, to build a danger-free nation, Bangladesh. Thank you, everybody.